So to start things off, let's list the trims that we know about. There's going to be a Tradesman, Bighorn, Laramie, Limited, and the new Tungsten Edition. And as of right now, we don't know if there's a Rebel Edition, but if there is, we'll let you know in a future video. Now that we went over the trims, let's go over some of the innovative performances this thing has. The RamCharger is going to have a liquid-cooled 92 kilowatt battery pack paired with a 3.6 liter Pentastar motor. Now that motor's not turning the wheels, it's just there to create power for that electric battery, which I thought was really interesting. It's also going to have where you can disconnect the front wheels, and it's just going to be rear-wheel drive to create even more efficiency. This thing has impressive horsepower specs. It has 663 horsepower with 615 foot-pounds of torque. Now the RamCharger is going to do 0 to 60 in 4.4 seconds, they're saying. And then this is going to have tow capacity up to 14,000 pounds. So I believe that's best in class for this. And then a payload up to 2,625 pounds. So on top of the impressive performance stats and towing capability, they're saying that this is going to get about 690 miles of range, which is pretty great because they're going to have the gas to help power the generator on top of plugging in to get your electric range. So this is going to be all around a great vehicle and great range. So when you're on the road, you can use the quick chargers. So if you plug in just for 10 minutes, you're going to get 50 miles of range. But don't have range anxiety because you're going to have gas that powers that V6 motor that creates power for that battery pack. The bed of the truck is also impressive. You're going to get a power panel that provides up to 7.2 kilowatts of various power. So you can plug in when you're tailgating, camping. If your power goes out at the house, you can plug things in also just to keep things going, which is a pretty nice option to have. This does have that level 2 autonomous driving, where it's gonna be hands-free driving. Obviously you're gonna still not fall asleep, you're gonna focus on the road, but it's there if you need it. It's gonna help you parallel and perpendicular park. So you have some of those options with this autonomous driving. And then for the driving modes, you're gonna have auto, sport, tow, snow, and off-road. You're going to have regen buttons for normal regen, max regen with one pedal driving. You're going to have a redesigned illuminated push start button. You're going to have your trailer brake built into the screen right there. Okay, now you're going to have a 14.5 inch screen, and a lot of the buttons that used to be there are now just built into the screen. Another cool feature with the RamCharger, you're going to get a digital key that you can add a digital key to your smartphone or watch for vehicle access and starting. You can share that with your kids or family members or whoever you want to, if they need to get into the car. I think that's a pretty cool option. Also, of course, you're going to get your traditional key fobs when you purchase the vehicle. Now the RamCharger isn't available just yet, but as soon as it is, hopefully we can get our hands on one and show you one in person. I think we're still about a year away till we see one, but until then, just keep watching out for the videos. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you in the next one.